In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a token from CoinMarketCap to MetaMask. 1. Navigate to the CoinMarketCap and search for the token you want to add to your MetaMask wallet. 2. On the tokens page, find Contracts box and look for a small box icon next to it. Click on the fox icon, which is MetaMask's icon, and it will open, asking you to confirm adding the token to your wallet. Confirm the action in MetaMask by selecting Yes. So, if the token is available on multiple networks, choose the desired network or stick with the default. Ensure your MetaMask wallet is connected to a blockchain that supports token you're adding. For example, for ERC20 tokens like Chainlink, connect to the Ethereum mainnet. If prompt, switch to your MetaMask network to match the token's blockchain. And once connected to the right network, finalize the process and the token will be added to your MetaMask wallet. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.